I usually don't assess the AC joint until later in my exam, meaning it might be the last phase of rehab, and I'm trying to finish out the range of motion because motion of this joint really doesn't happen until late in the range of motion. So I don't need to really assess this on day one because it's not really going to do much for me. Okay? Plus, when you do this, you're going to see it's not real comfortable to do. And so I try to save this after we've had a nice relationship. Then I can tear it apart. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to move the clavicle on the acromion. Okay, that's kind of weird. All right? You guys are like, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. All right. So what we're going to do is lower the table just a smidgen. Now, the nice thing here is this is relatively a planar joint, and so it's just going to be straight up and down. The only thing I have to worry about is trying to figure out, remember the first time we did palpation, we were trying to find the joint line in the direction? This is when you need that information, because I'd like to follow that joint line and not just grind two joints together, okay? When I get in here, I'm going to palpate the acromion, and I'm going to stabilize the acromion with this hand. So I'm going to come in here and sit a cup around the acromion so I grab the scapula. I've got the angle of the acromion in front, point of the acromion or tip of the acromion in front, and I'm just going to grip the whole kit and caboodle. I'm going to come right in here. The clavicle, as you know, comes across right there, and it's coming back. You will not be able to go in and grab it. You may want to at times, but we will not be doing that. What we're going to do is we're going to shoot in a little bit behind it, and I like to think about, anybody ever palm a basketball or try to palm a ball? And you try to do that where you just grip it with just the tips and you try to just tighten it. That's what you're trying to do to the clavicle. You're trying to palm the clavicle, okay, with your fingertips.
I broke this one.
It's going to be fun. I can't wait to try to move it. It's going to be tender, right?
No.
There's a big knob here. I can hold on to this, and there's a big knob right here. But I'm going to show you the right way. Don't use knobs that you find. Yeah, there's a nice handle here. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to pull up and anterior, so I'm lifting anteriorly. Now, and I'm not going to lie to you, I'm probably at the same time applying a posterior pressure here. So even though that's a shear force, by scrunching the tissue first, I am unweighting it, and I don't think it's as much shear force as we think it is. And so you're going to feel me lift with these fingers and provide that pressure on the acromion that way. And I'm just assessing a little bit of a glide there. It's a very small motion. So this hand's like this. This has got the clavicle, and I'm doing this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.